In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop comprehensive online ticketing and support management system. Example of this script is Helpdesk Pro. Now let us look at some features. Look at the demo. Let me open the new tab to see the demo, how it's going to look like after developing it. So from here, look at how it is. Then I can go to my landing page on my dashboard. Now, before we proceed, please don't forget to use our affiliate link in the description to purchase this script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my C panel. On my C panel, I go to my file manager. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. On my file manager, I go to my subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes, which is this. I've already uploaded it. So next I'm inserting it. Look at some files. Yes, I'm going to close it after inserting it. So let me open the inserted file. I select folder, I'm moving them to the root folder. Files. Yeah, I click on back. So next, let me copy my subdomain. Open a new tab. Paste it there. Enter. So it will direct to install by itself. Next, I click on check requirements. All the requirements are met, so I click on check permissions. So I will go back to my file manager to set all these permissions, storage framework, logs. So let me start. I will start with my storage. I'll give me permission of 775 storage. I'll give you 775. Click on save. Let me open the storage. Next, I'm going to change framework and logs. Framework and logs. Some 5 logs. 775. Let me see what next. I'll go back, bootstrap cache to 775. So back. Okay, sorry. Bootstrap cache. I'll give you permission of 775. Save. After that is what? Resources lang. Let me come back. Resources lang. I'll give you permission of 775. Last one, I think it's Mezulu one, which is public. I'll give it 775 permission. Back. Public. 775 permission. Save. So now let me refresh it. All is well, all is set now. Then I click on next. I'm going to fill in my purchase code, then click on submit. Next, I will go back to my file manager to create my database. So, I'm going back to my file manager in my C panel. This time around, I'm going to databases. databases. They are my databases. So let's name my database as Helpdesk. Helpdesk. Let me share HelpDB with database. Database created successfully. After creating my database, references I want to create my user. So I like doing like this. Create my user. I like using the same name. User. Yes, I'm going to click on create user. I've successfully created my user and my database. Next, I'm going to add the user to the database. I'll make sure I select the one I just created. So the one I just created is Helpdesk. Yeah, Helpdesk. Then I click on add. I'm going to give all privileges to the user. Make changes. So all privileges successfully given to the user. Let me copy my username. I type this username. DB name, that's my database name. Then I click on submit. Now I'm going to fill here. Let me say my first name is admin, my last name is admin, my admin at example.com. So I click on complete setup. Now look at it. I've successfully installed. Look at how it is. Here I can go to my login with my own page. So from here, as I said, I can go to my own page or my login page here. I've successfully installed this script. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And to purchase the script, use the affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. Thank you.